Alright， 各位朋友、群友，最近有很多人问我健康的问题，因为最近很多人病了，喉咙不舒服啊、咳嗽什麼都有，所以這是我的屋企應該擺一啲存放一啲 herbs 啊啲唔同嘅嘢。I don't really need to label them because I really can tell, but then different stuff, I can tell what these are. But let me share this with you, OK？ 很簡單 ，OK？ 也許你覺得家裡面有一些東西，放一些 safe 一啲common herbs or things that could help you。因為當你病的時間，你不想跑去 herb shop 中藥店，或者是Whole Food or whatever to Sprout to purchase the thing. So it's good to 屋企有啲嘢睇門口。嗱，比方現在很多人都是覺得有些流鼻涕 runny nose. Now this is good. 辛夷花 It's good for people who have runny nose problem, congestion problem. This is also good for the nose, but 有少少毒 a little bit toxic in the sense that if you take too much of it, but it's a good formula. It's called 蒼耳子. Now this is good in case 潘大海 or 大海子. You put it in hot water there, and it will 脹大. It will enlarge and grow, and then you just drink. Put it in hot water, 10 minutes or so, boil it, okay? It's good for 喉嚨痛, just in case. 因為我們唱歌常常講話的人 just in case. Now, for emergency, 這個 for COVID, 我可能沒有用, but 放在這裡 in case of emergency, 有 COVID 的話. Now, this is also a very good formula. Oh, here's one. 川貝枇杷膏. This is much better than 川貝枇杷露. And what it does is, for those people who have a little, sometimes your throat is dry, 需要滋潤喉嚨, and that is always a good thing to have 化痰止咳 in case you need it. Now, this is a very good formula. I bet most people have never heard of it. It's called 保濟口服液. 你聽過保濟丸啦? This is better than 保之丸, okay? Because I tell you, it really works fast. 肚子痛, 頭瀉, whatever. I may have a new one. 現在價錢 everything 都漲了. 保濟口服液. So what it does is 幫你diarrhea, you have stomachache, you have indigestion problem, whatever, vomiting, nausea, it really helps. And this is a good formula too. Always good to have it. It's brand new, hasn't been opened. 還不需要, but 萬一我需要的話，呢個藿香正氣片其實最好的是另外一個蘭州的 but they run out of it, so the other one is just 藿香正氣片. This is very good. I can send you the picture, what it does and all that, but for 消化的問題，肚子痛diarrhea 的問題, it's good. So okay, you really should have this stuff, right? 這個是活絡油差不多，我有幾瓶的。It's good to have. I have other kinds of oil. 紅花油什麼萬金油 if you need it. It's always good to have this too around. 平時熱氣you eat too much of spicy stuff, fried stuff. This is no sugar. Sugar-free 夏桑菊. 煮花 is good for the eyes. 桑葉下嗰啲咁 is good for 清熱散葉 okay? And it's good. 煎丸花 always good to have some at home. 平時煲金銀花咁 it's antiviral 清熱. Once in a while, just drink a little bit. It won't hurt you, okay? Let's see what else is there. Oh, so much. Okay, let me show you something else. 也許你覺得有些人喉嚨最近問我喉嚨覺得不舒服 very common. So this is always a good thing. You can buy it at, I think I got it from CVS or Walgreens. Throat coat. And you can put it in hot water. The formula there has slippery elm and other things. 有少少甘草and other things good for your throat. Coat your throat, make your throat feel better. So anyway, 就講這麼多，好不好？OK。